few steps tja ku endla ku marimba ma wena ma sounda professional, ma sounda so after and then before ma sounda so. Trick i ku endla yini, u seta u tala ka easy and then brightness ya wena yi va below 50 and then the tune below 50, attack ku va below 10 and then sustain negative below 5 and then release below 30 and then velocity below 50. That's all.